Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a quiz content in Canva. So here, what you need to do is open the Canva apps on your phone or maybe your computer. And after that, just click on the search column and type in quiz. So you can easily create a quiz content by using the Canva templates. So after you enter the keyword, you'll see there are lots of quiz template that you can use. There are a format for Instagram posts, Instagram stories, so you can just choose which one. For example, I'm going to just use one from an Instagram story, maybe okay, this one. So I like the color choice of this template. So what I need to do is just, for example, change the question. uh for example, are the biggest animal on earth, for example, like this, and you can just change the answer options here. For example, here I'm going to change it with uh okay, so I've already changed the answer, so I'm going to delete this, and you can just save this, and after that share it to your Instagram brand or Instagram account. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.